Hello, we're at Shoe Healer in Doncaster and I'm just doing a little video on an alternative repair on your Dr Martens. So let's just spin round. Here we go. So we've had an old pair of Dr Martens boots sent in. They've got the Dr Martens Airwair sole on there, and you'll have seen in a previous video where we splice this off here and we fit a completely new unit on these. And that repair is £55 plus return postage. This is a cheaper alternative. As you see here, look, we bond on and it bonds on beautifully. We splice in a heel unit and a sole unit on there and then trim all the edges off like this, and that repair is £39.95 again plus return postage. And it's just a sole, look, lovely sole on there, lovely heel on there. As long as you've not gone too far with them, we can do that repair. It looks a little bit Heath Robinson, but it is a nice repair. It does blend in beautifully, and although these pictures aren't doing it any justice really. Yeah, okay, that's just an option here at Shoe Healer on your Dr Martens.